Yeah. Look, turn my mic up a little bit. From the dust to the skyline, you know what it is. Listen. Yeah, look. Turn my mic up a little bit. From the dust to the skyline, you know what it is. Listen, born when the thunder cracked, heavy rain on the pavement. Mom shed tears, told the angels I was made for the greatness. Walk with the lions through the fire, no mistake in my placement. While they rely on fake personas, I just stand in my basement. Crafting the blueprint, never stressed in the booth. They fold under pressure, me I skate through the proof. Pen stays lethal, put your favorite to sleep. No handouts, every single promise I keep. I bet on myself, then I double the pot. You counting your streams, I'm securing the spot. From the bottom of the map to the top of the chain. Learn how to turn all the pressure to pain, then the pain into power. Stand tall every hour, no folding, no fear. I see through the smoke and the vision is clear.
We rise through the rubble, we stand on our own. Built an empire from seeds that were sown. Through the fire and smoke, we refuse to back down. Heavy is the head, but we carry the crown.
Look, my spirit tied to the olive branch, roots in the soil. From Gaza to the world, watch the spirit uncoil. Stand firm like the stones in the street, unshakable faith. Even when the shadows try to conquer the place, they try to silence the truth, but the echoes remain. Free minds, unbroken hearts rising out of the pain. I keep my circle small, all my brothers can eat. No parasites around, we just conquer the street. Pen to the parchment, every bar is alive. Witness the hunger of a man that survives. Sleep is the cousin of death, so I stay wide awake. Every move calculated, every step that I take. Got the soul of a warrior, mind of a chief. Turned every setback into solid belief. From the struggles in the dark to the light on the stage, we write our own history on every single page.
We rise through the rubble, we stand on our own. Built an empire from seeds that were sown. Through the fire and smoke, we refuse to back down. Heavy is the head, but we carry the crown.
They thought we would break under weight of the sky. Look at the eyes of a soldier that refuses to die. We keep moving forward, no turning around. Feet on the earth, 10 toes on the ground.
Yeah, stand tall.